Guys, this is my lip gloss. And super ganda nito. This is from Maybelline. The lifter glaze nila. Ang ganda, grabe. Ito siya. I love the shade. This is Peach Quench. Or Peach Quench. I don't know. I love, love. What chapter did I miss? Bakit ang ganda lang ng CR ng MOA? Welcome to